Nisoeng basakan ti Don Bosco Media Network unam chakswa ang the Mesi achmaman na simang nadal ni Ngo-Rang ko para katinga. Katabi Ngo-Rang, CM ni Bungalow Mikango, Bimang ko Tarie So.A galanga, Garo Hills ni Ngo-Rang, Mukroh A.Sel ni Gimin Talatanga. Chugumugaba Ngo-Rang, Sonibar sa lokasi aro Jaintia Hills ajani dolbunga Ngo-Rang jekai New Trip Youth Council, East Jaintia National Council, Jaintia Students Movement, New Trip Achik National Movement aro Confederation of Ripoy people, yarang gamat nang reme, batangaman salo Mukroh, sungo nga pa A.Sel ko jegale, Shillong songjin mani polo os kotong minister konat sang mani Bungalow Mikango, konat sang ma, Assam ni Skotong Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, aro maamong ni Home Minister Amit Shah ni Bimang ko Tarie So.A jegalang ha. Yadol bunga Ngo-Rang ya Tarie gaman Bimang ko Skotong Minister ni Bungalow una napchak pa biapo sa so namang sungachim, hindi ba adok ni pulis rang ni sampingani ko matne, wamang Bungalow ni sambajolon so ang skaha.
We want justice! We want justice! Police Assam! Police Meghalaya! Police Meghalaya!
Garo Hills ni Ngo-Rang Mukroh songo anggapa A.Sel ni Gimin Talatani ko dakanga. Ya A.Sel ni japang jadul ko wamang Garo Hills so donggapa aro dingtang biapo donggapa Achkrang na talatio nanga. Mukroh songo A.Sel onggapa ni bitingo mandirang na metale wija inga aro bangbatan ya obos tako bol salgapa ni bitingo golmal nga nesa chanchia. Indi ba ya bol salgapa rang ni golmal ni Gimin ya obos sa nga ne diongja. Ya bol salgapa rang ko Ripmani jamano baoni ko Maruti Karomi salang keparang ko Ripmani bidingo sa public rang susu jengjeng ungjok aro ya dos kri mandirang ko wachina geta wamang dabi hachim endi ba pulis rang wachaha yani A.Sel sa golmal dalang ha aro ya A.Sel ona ga akaha ne Association for Democracy and Empowerment ADE ni President Dalsing CH Momen para katang ha Apsan dake riang gapas kubar salo mandirang ni bakram pa ani chinan ko operation movement ko chusuk yung at na manani na FKJGP Garo Hills Zone ni President aro FKJGP Shillong ni Vice President Pritam Aring matelanga ha. Nyanan ko operation movement no dengtang government office rango kam ka gaparang ba bakko rae kam tang chiriang tokcha ha ne ba wiatang ha.
Cengak cengcacakan chinan deke jana batatas ka bangmatan ya ubusa ko bol salang pani bidingo rema bol salang pani bidingo golmar nga anisa bangbatan masia ande ba ya bol salang pani golmar ni gemen mangmang ujai de ya bol salang pani gemen golmar ya ini ben ubos sangwa uja ande ba ya bol salang parang ni kor mani jamano anchani public rangko jian abauni ko maruti kharo merong salang yacham mi salang yacham ukor mani bidingo sa public rang 소스제 웅족 아래코 왓치나타 비숑 아가나점 우너 비숑 왓자하 우니 자마노 골만 달랑족 골만 달랑에 자마노 야 안데게 만데 구아우나 바 만데 시로 속하 우니 그 탈라타 파니선 옹아야
we are here to express our gratitude to all the citizens of Garo Hills who has cooperated in our call for an NCM to show solidarity with our veterans from Mukroh of West Jaintia district and to reject the atrocities of the Assam police committed against the people of Meghalaya time and again. We are here to declare that the NCM called by the conglomerate NGOs of FKJGP, ADE, AYWO, FF and GSU in certain pockets. That is, NCM has been very successful. All the shops, all the business establishments have closed down their shutters. Even we have got information that even office-going government officials, they showing their respect for the departed souls. they have put down their pen during those hours, that is from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. And even the vehicular traffic was negligible.
Yanda ana koborang ni soeng ba sakan tikon matela.